Hey there everyone, today I'm going to make a video showing you how to remove the mirror, the interior door panel, the weather stripping by the window, and anything else that you might need to remove to wrap the C6 Corvette door. So as you can see, I've already washed and cleaned all the dirt, grime, and grease from the paint. I'm gonna spray it down with a rapid quick prep. I forget what it's called, but it's a prep made for wraps. So I'm gonna spray it down with that, wipe it clean, and then we're gonna start wrapping this door. So this is gonna show the disassembly of all the parts of the door that you have to take off to be able to wrap it. So the first thing I'm going to remove is this little rubber trim piece here. So I got this rubber tool. I'm going to pop this cover off here and remove the screws. Okay, so after I removed the little piece of rubber stripping on the outside of the window, I popped the cover off the inside of the door panel, and there are two T30 screws that hold the door panel on. I'm going to remove those and then try to lift the door panel off. The door panel is taken off, so now what I have to do is remove the speaker, disconnect the mirror, and then there are 3 nuts that hold the mirror to the door. I'll remove those and then the mirror should come off. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video that's going to include wrapping the driver's side door. Thanks. Remember to like this video and to subscribe up here.